Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to unbox the Google Nest Mini. This one here that we got free from Spotify. Yes, it's free. And guys, ito po ay na-free namin sa Spotify when Dennis signed up for the subscription, which is $9 per month. I don't know if it's worth it, but sure. We already got this one. They sent it to him, I think, last month when he signed up. But it took me a while to do this unboxing. So let's do this today. We're going to unbox it and at the same time install it or start setting it up. Okay, so join me guys. Let's do this. Okay, so the box is like this. It's still sealed. At the back it says small and mighty. And then on the side is just a, like a little blurb. Turn up the music mini speaker with a big sound. And also the apps that, or the applications that use Google Nest. So let's open the box. It doesn't say, but it looks like it's gonna be this color. So let's open it. I'm opening it. Just like that. So I know how to use Siri on my phone because I have Apple, but Dennis is already using Google Assistant from his phone. So it looks like this. So it's a chalk color or gray. So there you go. Yan. So let's remove it from the box. Looks like this. As you can see, there is a small what do you call that? Something that you can hang on the wall. So pwede siyang nakaganyan pala sa wall ninyo. So it's cute, it's tiny. And then there is a mute button or a microphone. And this is where the power cable will connect. So really cute. Let's put it here. And then the box is like this. What's remaining is we have the power cable. Like that. And then we're just gonna remove everything in the box. So you have your book, the manual here. Let's get started, and I think this is where the installation is. If your home is respecting your privacy, so this is like a privacy manual, and this is the actual installation guide right there. So this is our power cable. We're gonna put it here in the living room. And then, yeah. So let's start installing it. First thing is we have to connect the power adapter to the Google Nest Mini. So let's do that. Let's connect. And then make sure you just, like push it all the way through. And then you will hear a little click sound. And then we have to connect this to a power cord. I just need to move the camera like that. So here it is, and then it's now connected. As you can see, there is light coming, right? So next thing is we need to download the Google Home app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. So I'm just gonna get my iPad. And try it. Look at that, so cute. Meron siyang...
Hi, to get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay.
Google Home. So let's click the Google Home. Google Home.
App, so let's install it. I'm just gonna say install. So it's downloading, guys. Right here. So let's just wait. I'm just trying to finish the download. After setup is complete in the Google Home app, just start with Hey Google.
This device isn't set up yet. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, that's what I'm doing now. There we have it, the Google Home app. So just click Google Home app and we'll get started. Let's click here. Looking for device. So I just entered the address and then our home name. So looking for device. Connecting to Nest Mini. Did you hear the sound? Yes. Into our Wi-Fi. So let's just wait. So it's connected. Okay, setting up voice match. This should take less than a minute. So you can connect any app like what's mentioned here on the box. Spotify, if it's Netflix, so you have everything here. Okay guys, so we're done installing or setting up our Google Nest Mini. I think it's really simple. You just have to follow the step on your screen, phone, and everything will just connect automatically. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful and informative to you. Please don't forget to like my channel, Kmum Vlogs, and like and comment. I'll see you again next time. Bye! Hey Google, good morning.
Hi, Dennis. It's 7:37 a.m. Currently in Edmonton, it's -2 degrees and clear. Today, it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of -1 and a low of -7. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's -8. News from CBC News at 7:36 a.m. today.
From CBC News, The World This Hour, I'm Josette Lafleuron. We now know the cost of Ottawa's COVID-19 spending so far, more than $400 billion.